Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write YouTube descriptions. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm going to start by typing down write me first, and then let's write our objective, which is YouTube description. So I'm going to make a channel description for this channel, and I'm going to start with my main interest of subject, which is AI technology. So I'm going to write that down. And finally, I'm going to write down my style, which is explainer videos. But if you are making gaming videos, just write that down. So let's write that explainer videos here, and let's hit enter. And here's our description. And as I said, feel free to change your video styles or your subject of focus to get your customized YouTube description. But that's basically how to use ChatGPT to create YouTube channel descriptions. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.